And now we have news coming in from Delhi. Delhi CM Rekha Gupta booed at Arun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi. Aam Aadmi Party claims AQI chants against Delhi CM at Messi's event. Aam Aadmi Party says Delhi CM booed at Messi's event over poor AQI. Aam Aadmi Party says tired Delhiites booed Rekha Gupta over poor air quality. Remember, Messi was wrapping up his tour, his India tour in Delhi, and Aam Aadmi Party claims that Delhiites booed Rekha Gupta over poor air quality. Listen in. So these were the videos wherein you could hear the chants of poor AQI being shouted, being chanted at the stadium where Rekha Gupta was meeting Messi as he's wrapping up his India tour. For more on that, we have Harshit joining us. Harshit, you were on the ground. Tell us about how the event unfolded.
So there's only one thing that I can confirm with a great deal of certainty, and this is basis my experience throughout the day. I'd gone to the stadium at 10 in the morning. I exited it in the evening, 6:30, after everything got wrapped up. There were two instances of resentment that I heard. There were two instances throughout the day, which was in many ways a day full of celebration, full of vibrancy. There were only two moments in which I heard there being some sort of resentment, and those were boos. Those were boos that were very clearly audible for everyone who was there inside the stadium, and both those instances involved the Delhi Chief Minister. The moment that the Chief Minister crossed the rope and made her way towards the podium, that's where there was a brief moment of booing. The other instance was after having spent a few minutes on the stage felicitating not just Leo Messi but Rodrigo de Paul and Luis Suarez, and then there was some photo op that happened as well after those few minutes that the Chief Minister then had spent at the podium, and was then coming off it again, crossing the rope and going outside the stadium. That was the second instance of there being booing. So yes, the booing did happen, and it was very much directed at the Delhi Chief Minister.
Right, so at least two instances of booing witnessed at the Delhi Stadium where Rekha Gupta was meeting Messi as he was wrapping up his India tour. Thank you so much for joining in, Harshit.